Lift fans, we just finded the other lift at the Bromley Civic Centre in Bromley. And it's a Civics Centre car park, lift ID 1. Capacity 630 kilos or 8 persons. Oh. It's a dead end, lift fans. So let's go back down. Oh. We can walk to the other car park if we want, lift fans. So which car park have we got to go to? Let's go to the other lift fans. I know where it is. We just found the other lift. And there are all the lifts here. Because we tried to find a lift in the other civic centre. Because I never know, the other lifts came here, lift fans. So now let's go to the other lift.
That's the first time we've done that one.
Yep, that's the first time we've done that. Let's go to the Pavilion Leisure Centre then and walk across that bridge. It's rank. It says lifts and stairs. So early is it today, lift fans? So good, isn't it, lift fans? I can see a few of the buses. Oh, I think someone's going to use the lift. No, someone's not going to use the lift. I can see the glaze coming up to a stop. And I can see that lift pointing to me. So let's go to the Pavilion Leisure Centre by My Time Active then. Here we are at the Pavilion Leisure Centre, where we are. This lift is on floor 3. Sound stinks. Green slime. Here it is, lift fans. It's all cleared up now. A balloon's in there. Let's go back down to 3. Doors closing. Going down. It's a UK lift escalator. Capacity 13 persons, all 1,000 kilos. It's a UK escalator. We're at 3. My Time Active. You have a lift over there. There it goes, lift fans. That's it.